About a third of our clients are small business owners, and they're some of the most fun, but they're some of the most complex in terms of financial planning. Whether your small business just employs you or it employs hundreds of people, there's a lot you can do to save at the end of the year when you do your tax planning. Although small business owners shoulder much of the burden in our society, they're the greatest engine of job growth, and they're the greatest stream of tax revenue for funding our government, they also have some incredible advantages and flexibility. And one of the challenges is to make sure that your business is being run to meet your life goals rather than just being run to keep up with everything that needs to be done. So most of our small business owners are so busy running the business in their area of genius that they never stop to ask the financial questions that can help them maximize the wealth that's generated. The end of the year is a time to do that, because at the end of the year you have choices about deferring income to next year or doing projects this year. You can also do the same thing with expenses. And so there's a little bit of a play between giving more investments this year into your business, buying more things, or building up some capital and taking taxes this year and then putting the expenses in the next year. So if you want to take full advantage of that, we recommend that you do end-of-year tax planning. There are what's called a 179 deduction, where you can qualify for business expenses now and accelerate those kinds of things. You can also set up a retirement plan, both for you and your employees. If you're the only employee, you can even set up a solo 401k, where you have all the advantages of a 401k, but it's just for you, and you can fund a huge amount of your income into that, and you can split it. Part that the company pays for that goes into a traditional 401k, and part that you put in, which you can choose to put in to a Roth 401k or a traditional 401k. And that can end up funding the tail end of your retirement, because the Roth account will grow tax-free forever, and when you take it out, you'll never have to pay taxes. Tax planning is time-consuming, and what you need is a good set of professionals around you, a financial planner and a tax advisor who can work together to maximize the wealth that you get from your business.